Today we're going to be talking about TC Communications Crash Phone Solutions. A crash phone application is an emergency ring-down POTS telephone system typically used to alert emergency first responders in a critical situation. This type of application typically involves airports, emergency responders, etc., all of which are typical customers of ours. TC Communications has several different kinds of products that can provide this type of application in various ways, whether the transmission is over fiber, T1, or Ethernet. Let's discuss two different products using Ethernet IP applications. The first is with our TC1910 telephone over Ethernet extender. The TC1910 is intended to provide a flexible point-to-point telephone service via an Ethernet network. In a crash phone scenario, you can have two TC1910s connected in a point-to-point application forming a hot link. Simply pick up the handset at one end, and the other will automatically ring until it is answered. Let's talk about another Ethernet crash phone application, this time with our jumbo switch TC3848. This jumbo switch interface card can be connected to multiple phones at multiple locations over Ethernet. Simply pick up the handset at one location and all locations will ring simultaneously until one of the other locations is picked up. The TC3848 is a complete VoIP Plus telephony solution that merges the simplicity of Ethernet with the call processing features of a PABX into one compact interface card. With no central hub required, the TC3848 utilizes VoIP technology to become a self-contained phone system. Let's talk about our T1-based crash phone application with our mini channel bank TC8618. This application requires our TC8618-1 for FXS at both ends. You can have 4 phones at the local side and the remote side. Each is connected from port 1 to port 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and 4 to 4, and the remote phone will ring until it is picked up. Let's talk about a fiber-based crash phone solution using our TC1901. The TC1901 can be connected over a point-to-point application, and this product is connected with dual fiber. However, if you require single fiber, you can use our TC1903. Simply lift the handset at the local side, and the remote side will ring until it is picked up. Lastly, let's talk about our primary crash phone product, the TC8938. The TC8938 is typically used in emergency party line network applications, and up to 8 users can be linked to one party line conversation. Remote extensions can be located at police, fire, ambulance, and health facilities, and a PBX is not required. The TC8938 can be configured in a couple of different ways. First, picking up the master phone will automatically ring all remote telephone extensions. Once a user picks up, they can talk to the master and either all other phones stop ringing or they can keep ringing and other users can join the call depending on the configuration. Another option is no call is being made, a user can pick up and it will call the master. The TC8938 is also available with an FXO port replacing the master FXS port. This allows a PBX extension or other phone line to be connected to the TC8938. The operation is exactly the same as before. Calling the PBX extension will cause all phones to ring until one is answered, establishing a conversation with the master, or the other locations can continue to ring, allowing them to join the conversation. Lastly, we have a dual master application with 2 master FXS ports going to 2 masters and up to 6 remote FXS ports. Picking up either master FXS will cause all extensions and the other master to ring. Picking up a remote extension will make both masters ring. Just as before, if both masters are ringing and one is picked up, then the other master can either stop ringing or continue depending on the configuration. For more information, please visit TCComm.com. You can find any of our products by clicking the drop-down in the top right corner of our homepage. And to view our product matrix, you can scroll down to right here. You can also get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner of our homepage. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thank you for watching.